Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. As you can see, the nice brand new 2019 mint set has just landed. So I can say landed purely because it is about the moon landing. So it's to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. So I just wanted to have a closer look at this today, and it's a beautiful looking cover. I absolutely love it. I love the colour and the moon. The whole thing just looks really attractive. So there it is, 1969, the year that it all happened. So it's good of the mint to feature an event such as this. And let's have a look at the back of it here, and it just goes on to describe Australia's role that we played in transmitting the signal around the world, and using our antennas, and so you can have a read of that. Pause it and feel free to read it. But yeah, let's have a look at the actual coin, the coins themselves. So each and every year's got an outer cover, and then the actual coins are on its own little cover. So we'll put that down, and once again it's replicated there, and we'll have a look at the Queen's head, the obverse side of the coins first, which is still the current effigy. There will be a new effigy coming about, I'm fairly sure, in 2019. So yeah, these are still got the old effigy, but let's have a look on the inside. So there it is. We've got a bit more information there, and beautifully set out, lovely blue colour. So there we go, we have the 6 coins again, and most of them as we would normally see them in circulation. There are 2 differences here. So we'll have a look at the $1 coin, which as you can see there, you can see a TV, and you can see what's going on, that there's obviously being transmitted via a satellite, and it's got on there the, sorry, not by a satellite, by a satellite dish, or a radio dish. So it's got the 50th anniversary of the moon landing on there, and yeah, quite a nice coin. What I really love is the 5-cent coin. I think it's absolutely amazing, beautiful coin, and it's got the moon on there with the number 5 for 5 cents, and shows all the craters. And we'll try and zoom in a bit further and have a look at some of the detail of this coin. And what I really love there is that footprint. So yeah, that footprint is awesome. Try and just hold it on a different angle, and you can see all the detail, the light and the shade, and the craters, and yeah, great coin, absolutely brilliant. So that's basically it. So that's the 2019 coin set, which is available now from the mint, and well worth getting a hold of each and every year that the mint comes out with a new set. Certainly well worth keeping and well worth collecting. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this new addition to my collection, and I hope you guys all get yourself a set if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.